Our motto: determine I1, I2, V1, V2 and V0 and supply power. Okay, now first of all solve this. Okay, this one and this one series and this combination with this combination is parallel. So what about ZL? ZL is 12 minus J6 parallel to J3 ohm. So 12 minus J6 plus J3 divided by 12 minus J6 into J3 divided by J6 plus 3J. Finally, that is 12 minus J6 into J divided by 3, that is 4 minus J. Okay, and if you multiply here, then you got 6 plus J12 divided by 4 minus J. Okay, 6 minus clear. Now our next target, if you want to rationalize again, that is 24 into 24, that is plus J6 48 and minus 12 divided by 17, and this one is also written as 12 plus J54 divided by 17. Clear? Now the whole combination of this one, first of all V1 V2, what is the relation between V2 and V0? Is that same? Because of both are parallel, that's why. Clear? Now if this combination corresponding to here, if this one is converted here, then we got, that is 2 ohm, that is ZL. Finally ZL by n square, what about n? That is 2 by 1. It means 17 plus J 54 divided by 17 into 4. N square means, clear? That is ZL by n square. So here, and supply voltage that is 60 at the angle 90 degree. And what about current? That is I1. What about I1? We have written I1 this is equal to 60 at the angle 90 degree divided by 2 plus, this one is also written as 12 plus 12, not divided by 2, that is 6 plus J 27 divided by 34. So 60 at the angle 90 into 34 whole divided by 34 into 2, that is 68. 68 plus 6 plus J 27. Finally 60 into 34 at the angle 90 degree whole divided by 74 plus J 27, and I1 is, so finally what about I1? 74 plus 27, if this one is converted here, we got 78.77 at the angle 20.045, and 60 into 34 we got 2040 at the angle 90. 2040 divided, that is I1 this equal to 25.898 at the angle 90 minus 20.045, that is 69 plus 69.955 ampere. This is also in RMS. Okay, clear? What about I1? So first of all, I1 is written as 25.898 at the angle 69.955 ampere. Okay, RMS. Now our next target, I2, V1, V2. Okay, our next target is, how can determine? I know that corresponding to dot convention, V2 by V1 is dot polarity corresponding to like this, then N2 by N1 is 2 by 1. I have already discussed. If dot polarity is same like this one or like this one, then V2 by V1 is always positive, otherwise negative. Okay, so V2 is written as 2 times of V1. Clear? Now what about current? Direction of current, that is I1, means enter here, dot polarity corresponding enter, and now I2 is leaving. So according to dot convention, I1 by I2 this is equal to N2 by N1. This one is negative or positive. If both are entering corresponding to dot or leaving dot, then this is negative, otherwise positive. So this one is entering and this one is leaving. It means I1 by I2 is positive. So what about I2? I2 is written as I1 by half. Okay, so I2 is 25.89 divided by 25.898 divided by 2, that is 12.949 at the angle 69.955 RMS. Okay, now what about V1? Apply KVL in this loop, that is 60 minus 60 at the angle 90 plus 2 into I1 plus V1, this is equal to 0. So what about V1? V1 is written as 60 at the angle 90 degree minus 2 into I1. So 60 into 90 degree minus 2 into I1 is 25.898 at the angle 69.955. Okay, this one is also 60 at the angle 90 minus 51.796 at the angle 69.955. Okay, now first of all 60 at the angle 90 minus 51.796 at the angle 955. Okay, finally we got, that is 21.067 at the angle plus 147.42, that is V1. Okay, so what about V2? V2 is multiplied by 2 into 2, that is 42.134 at the angle 147.42, bold, that is in bold. This is also in RMS. Okay, V1 and V2. Clear? V2 and V0 is same, that's why V0. So V1, I1, I2, I1, I2, V1, V2 and V0. It is clear? Now another way, our next target is supply power, supply complex power. this will be equal to Vs into I1 conjugate. Vs is 60 at the angle 90 degree. And what about I1 conjugate? I1 conjugate is, what about I1? I1 is like this one, that is 25.898 at the angle minus 69.955. Okay, conjugate of this one angle is changed. Now 60 at the angle 90 degree into 25.898 at the angle minus 69.955. So if this one is converted into, we got 1553.88 at the angle 20.045 VA. That is in also, this is also in RMS. Okay, make it. Or you if you want to approximate result, then 1554 at the angle 20.045 VA in RMS. Make it.